Good afternoon, students. So today we will discuss about our new chapter, chapter number 6, triangles and its properties. So already we have learned in lower standard the concept of triangle. Okay, if you want to make a triangle, you require how many line segments? We know that if you want to make a triangle, you require 3 line segments. So we can say that triangle is nothing but it is a closed curve made with the help of 3 line segments, and each line segments becomes the sides of the given triangle A, B, C. Okay, so this is your first side AB, second side BC, and third side is AC. So particular any kind of triangle, it has 3 line segments, or you can say 3 sides, that is AB, BC and C. Okay, and angles. If you talk about an angles, this is the corner part. When 2 line segments intersect, it makes a corner. So this is known as an angle. So in the triangle we have 3 angles, that is angle B, A, C. Whenever you want to represent angle A, you have to keep that letter in between other 2 vertices. If you want to represent angle A, means you have to write like angle BAC. It means angle A. Okay. Whatever angle you want to represent, it should be in between the other 2 vertices. Suppose I want to represent angle B. So how will you write? Angle ABC. If I want to represent angle C, so I will write ACB, or I can write BCA. So in triangle ABC, we have 3 sides AB, BC and CA. We have 3 angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, and we have 3 vertices. Vertices means points. So A, point B and point C. A, B and C. So in a triangle we have 3 vertices. So this is the introduction part of the triangle ABC. If you write triangle PQR, so sides is PQ, QR, PR. You can talk about the angles, angle P, angle Q, angle R. If you talk about the vertices, P, Q and R are the 3 vertices of that particular triangle. So this we have learned in the lower standard about the triangle, what is the basic concept. We have also learned the types of triangle on the basis of measurement of the angle and on the basis of measurement of its length. So let's see what are they. So we learn about total 6 types of triangles. We will discuss each one with the help of examples. Okay. So if you first consider based on angles, based on measure of angles. Okay, so we have 3 types. First one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral means it's each and every side, measure of each and every angle is equal. For example, if you consider this triangle, if you name it P, Q and R. Okay, how you can say that this is an equilateral triangle? If you measure the angle of each angle, if you measure, so this is your 60 degree, this is also 60 degree and this is also 60 degree. So if the measure of each and every angle is 60 degree, or you can say the measure of each angle is equal, measure of all the angles are equal, is equal, that type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Okay, this is on the basis of measure of angles. We can say that this is your equilateral triangle. Okay. Okay. This is on the basis of side, not angle. I made a mistake. Sorry for that. Based on measure of side. First we see sides. Whatever we see, that is equilateral triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle means measure of each line segment is equal. Suppose this is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. Okay, we have learned one concept. Okay, that also we see in this chapter also. Later on we can learn that concept. Equilateral triangle is if the measure of each length is equal, that is PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR. That kind of triangle is known as equilateral triangle, where all the sides have same measure. On the basis of side, the second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, iso itself suggests that 2. Iso means 2. If you consider any triangle and if the measure of two sides of that triangle is equal, such kind of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Suppose you have A, B, C, in which this AB is equal to AC. Suppose this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter. This is different, suppose 4 centimeter. So, a triangle in which measure of two sides is equal, such kind of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Here we know that the measure of length AB and AC both are equal. And third type we have learned, that is scalene triangle. Third type we have seen, that is scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? If you have a triangle, suppose X, Y and Z, and if you have the measure of XY is 5 centimeter, measure of XZ is 4 centimeter and measure of YZ is 6 centimeter. Here if you observe the measure of each length, thus do they all are same? No. XY is not equal to YZ and YZ is not equal to XZ. Here the each length of the given triangle is different. So what we can say? A triangle in which measure of all the sides are different, it is known as scalene triangle. So this is all about types of triangle on the basis of measure of its sides. That is equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Scalene triangle, no sides are equal, means all the sides are different. So this is all about your types of triangle on the basis of measure of its side. Okay, now we will see based on measure of angles. Okay, so first we have right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, so suppose you have this type of triangle, name it as ABC, in which one angle is 90 degrees. 1 and the measure of this angle is 50. Okay, if the measure of one angle is 50, another angle is 60 and third angle is 70 degree. If you observe all these angles, they all are acute angle. We have learned that three types of angles: right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. If you have an angle 90 degree, it is right angle. If you have an angle measure less than 90 degree, that is acute angle, and the measure of angle more than 90 degree, they all are known as obtuse angle. So here 50 is less than 90, 60 is less than 90, 70 is also less than 90. So a triangle in which all the measure of angles are less than 90 degree, or you can say all the angles are acute angle. In a triangle, if all the angles are acute angle, then such kind of triangle is known as acute angle triangle. Okay? And the third type is what? Obtuse angle triangle. Third type is what? Obtuse angle triangle. Suppose I have such kind of triangle x, y, z. So this I have 120 degree. Okay. So obtuse angle triangle means what? In a triangle, if measure of one angle is obtuse. In a triangle, if measure of one angle is obtuse, we don't bother about these two angles. Obviously, they both are acute angle. But if one angle measurement is obtuse angle, such kind of triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Okay? Right? So, what we have learned? We have learned the concept of triangle. We have learned about types of triangle on the basis of measure of its side and on the basis of measure of its angle. So total we have learned 6 types of triangle. That is, on the basis of sides it is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. And on the basis of angle we have learned right angle triangle, acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so this is the basic introduction part of this chapter. Okay, so now we continue with what is the median of a triangle and what is the altitude of a triangle in the next